Simulation, positive, negative. So 12 volts DC. This one is the circuit breaker. Reset button, forward button, relay 1, relay 2, relay 3. Pilot light green for forward. Pilot light red for stop. Pilot light yellow for reverse. Reverse button, forward button. This one is the control circuit. Here is the power circuit. Motor DC. Electric motor DC. 12 volts. So, on breaker. Red pilot light. Lights on. Press forward. Contact to, press forward button. Motor run clockwise. If we press reverse, it cannot be triggered because it has this one, the safety interlock. So we need to press the reset button so the motor will stop. Let's press the reverse now. So the motor is counterclockwise, it's reversed. So the pilot light yellow light. So may light yung pilot light. So ganun pa rin kapag pinindot yung forward na button, hindi mag-trigger kasi may interlock from reverse. So reset natin. So ayan, umilaw yung red, namatay yung motor. So vice versa, forward. So if you need to reverse, press reset. So then press reverse. So ganun din, press reset, forward. So ayan lang.